Hi, welcome back. It's me, Sharan. Today we are going to learn how to remove the breadcrumb error in Blogger. Here you can see this breadcrumbs error URL is available to Google but has issues. You can check here. Here is two error showing, two warning as here. Let's check the tested page. Here you can see, and also check the another one. Here you can see the error. Now we want to remove this error from our blogger. Mainly this error will shows due to two reasons. I will teach you and I will explain the two reasons. First of all, open your blogger post. If your alignment is not correct, the breadcrumb error will shows. And just editing my post. Do some changes in your post first of then the next important thing is remove the label from here. I'm removing the label from here, then click on done, then update, then click on view post and copy the URL from here, then go to your Google search console, then click on URL inspection, or you can directly paste your link here. Click here and paste your link, then click on enter, or and wait for few minutes. Here you can see our breadcrumb error is gone. Then click on test live URL. Most of the all new bloggers are facing this breadcrumb error. You can easily remove this error by following these steps. Please wait. Our testing live is now ready. Now you can see URL is available to Google. Then click on request indexing. Okay, got it. Now let's show you another one. I'm copying the link and pasting here. Here you can see the same. Here you can see the same error showing in this page. There is 3 error. Same as we want to open the same post, Samsung Galaxy M30, and edit this post and simply removing the label from here and click on done and updating my post. Once again open this same post and copying the link and pasting the link in Google search console. You can see the same link I am pasting here. Now you can see the error is gone. Now test live. If you need more help, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Yes, URL is available to Google. Our breadcrumb error solved. You can follow these steps by removing the label, or you can edit your post once again and resubmit your link. Thanks for watching.